At dawn, we wake up to the first rays of the day at Twyfelfontein Adventure Camp, ready for another busy day. We want to be among the first to set foot on the site of the famous petroglyphs, a collection of rock carvings that tell the ancient history of this land and its people. The morning light gently caresses the rocks, and the sky is tinged with delicate shades. It is a moment of pure magic, in which everything seems possible and where the contours of the world become gentler. Here too, the water heater is wood-fired. We had seen a much larger one at Sitatunga Camp in Maun. The first light has a unique charm. It is the signal of a new beginning, of a day that is yet to reveal its secrets. And it is a gift for those who, like us, have the privilege of experiencing it immersed in these timeless landscapes. After the visit, a long journey awaits us. Today our journey will take us to the Spitskop, the mountain massif that stands out like a mirage in the desert. We know that many kilometers await us, but the anticipation of admiring the majesty of this rock formation fills us with energy. Every stage is a discovery, and even today we are ready to let the road reveal new scenarios and unforgettable sensations.
Sei! Siamo arrivati al buio, siamo andati via al buio. Allora, a me piace tanto. Dal punto di vista scenografico, bagno 1 in 20.
Twyfelfontein Adventure Camp elicits mixed opinions among us. On the one hand, the location is truly evocative, immersed in a landscape that seems suspended in time. On the other, you can perceive that the structure is still in the running-in phase. The field has recently opened, and the young people who created it are clearly putting in all their effort, even if some details still need to be improved. However, the enthusiasm and passion that these kids have invested in the project are reflected in every corner of the camp, from the simple accommodations to the care in welcoming them. Despite a few small shortcomings, there is a glimpse of extraordinary potential. With time and a little more experience, this place could become an unmissable stop, capable of offering a unique experience to anyone who wants to explore the wild beauty of Damaraland. Arriving early, we are the first visitors of the day to the Twyfelfontein site, and the morning quiet adds a sense of solemnity to the moment. In front of the closed visitor center, the silence is broken only by the light rustling of the wind and the distant song of some birds, while the wait gives us time to observe the surrounding landscape, already golden by the first light of day. As soon as the center opens, we quickly get the tickets and meet the guide who will accompany us to discover the ancient rock carvings.
White family, but these white people, white men. Yeah, white family, 5 people, yeah. 1940s until 1964.
Era un agricoltore che stava qui sudafricano bianco.
As the guide introduces us to the history of the populations who have inhabited these ancient lands, he tells us about the San, the people once known as the Bushmen, considered the oldest inhabitants of southern Africa. For those who, like me, have passionately read the books in Wilbur Smith's Courtney of Africa series, this is a unique opportunity to give shape to an image that has inhabited my mind for years. I have often wondered what the author meant when he described the San's clicking language, a way of communicating that seemed almost fairy tale-like, a fascinating and elusive mystery. The guide, with great skill, decides to reveal the secret and gives us a demonstration of this incredible language, made of clicks and rhythmic sounds that almost seem to blend in with the wild landscape. It is like witnessing a sound dance, an ancient dialogue with the earth. And in that moment, Smith's words come back to life, enriched by the living reality of a people whose history still resonates in the echo of these valleys.
Ngukwe darahan ngap tamaralan di direct tayeba. Sida ge sida ngukwe daneba. Kwe govap tiramia govaparan wa ngip ngata nguna haga karga ngoku tsain ngoka unga. Sina. Sida ga tsui sa hodi siska krak twa oda ge tsui kam nguna haga koro ngani haisa kwe se tisi tirakma. Beautiful.
La lingua secondo me è arrivata primitiva.
La cosa tribale.
Represents water. So even that side we've got more drawings, but these are much more eroded. But up on top here we've got a very famous drawing of Twyfelfontein, which appears also on the postcards, guidebooks, and it's the highlight of Twyfelfontein. There is the lion with the very of the legs. Lion has a human feet. Because if you count the toes, this one has got 5 fingers, but in reality, lions has got 4. So these represent the shaman, medicine men that have...
Vedi la giraffina, l'orice.
Poi io non capisco niente, ma secondo me è semplicemente ridimensionato, lei mette un ordine del belge, poi le dita...
C'è un elefantino anche. La coda alle dita.
Vedi?
8 persone.
Orice in inglese, orice.
Io sono riuscita ad andare Cile e per sempre per la storia della
Addirittura e c'era qualche cosa legata a una braccia di 2 settimane.
noi ne abbiamo visto uno, ma lì ce ne sono tanti siti. Abbiamo visto uno perché lei lavorava lì, cioè lavorava lì con i suoi studenti. Ha detto che ha 20 anni che è disteso così. E lì c'è
È il rinoceronte.
Alright, so down here we got now the rhino, giraffe, moose, but these two here we got the seals. From Cyprus, and the last one it is a penguin. This clearly proves the Bushmen people were nomadic and they traveled to the sea. Main reason was they were collecting the salt to preserve meat. That's where they see the seals and the penguins.
Allora, per chi non ha sentito, oltre agli animali che abbiamo visto finora, c'è un'otaria qui e un pinguino lì. Due. Sì. E dimostra che erano ancora più.
Ma siamo sicuri non ci fossero pinguini qua? I pinguini ci sono spagnoli, stanno sull'isola di Halifax. Risorse non coltivavano, giravano. Che ha detto altro, no? Solo...
Ti dimostra il fatto che erano nomadi? È quello lì. E che quindi...
Sono molto bravi a disegnare le giraffe.
Le giraffe è il loro animale
carine.
preferito.
Sono più carine.
Vengono proprio bene.
Ma anche quelli che scolpiscono adesso sono proprio bravi.
Sono più avanti questi. No, ma ha detto anche che probabilmente che il mare era più vicino.
Però loro giravano 2000 anni fa. Che luce fantastica. Come non mi mancano le nuvole. Sono belle, però.
Test.
Geniale comunque. Non riesco a fare. Passa, se passi sotto mi fa la foto, quindi.
Scusate,
Prego, prego, vai pure.
Ok.
Zebra middle, two rhinos on top, and above the rhino we've got a human feet again. So the human feet again, the signature from the artist, and on the right those are the footprints from different animals and antelopes. And that way they show others how to track animals, spiritual and educational for the Bushmen.
Cioè il piede ha 7 dita?
Invece la cosa buffa sopra le impronte dell'antilope.
Is the top right?
No, la viola è quella lì in mezzo.
Io potevo stare appoggiato però.
Il piede sta là.
Ah, perché no.
Va bene.
Not much. Non di più di così. There is enough.
Thanks to the ancient artists who carved the rocks of Twyfelfontein, we have had the privilege of taking a journey into the past, immersing ourselves in stories from thousands of years ago. Every engraving, every figure carved in stone conveys an ancient story, a fragment of life that has resisted the passing of the centuries. The day is beautiful, with a golden light that enhances the details of the rocks, highlighting every line and symbol left by the peoples who have lived in this region. The surrounding landscape, wild and unchanged, is the perfect backdrop to this unique experience, where natural beauty and human creativity meet. In this magical context, we feel almost like privileged spectators of a timeless story, a deep connection that crosses eras and civilizations and leaves us with a feeling of gratitude and wonder.